Mastering basic transformations, translation, rotation, and scaling explained. Introduction to transformations. In this presentation, we will explore the three fundamental transformations in geometry: translation, rotation, and scaling. Understanding this concept is essential for graphical transformations and computer graphics. Let's dive into how each transformation alters the position and size of objects. Understanding translation. Translation involves moving an object from one location to another without changing its shape or orientation. The key elements of translation are the direction and distance of movement. This transformation is crucial in animation and graphics to create motion effects. Exploring rotation. Rotation refers to turning an object around a fixed point known as the pivot. The angle of rotation determines how far the object turns. This transformation is widely used in design and animation to create dynamic visual effects, enhancing the viewer's experience. Conclusion on transformations. In summary, mastering translation, rotation, and scaling is vital for anyone interested in geometry and graphics. These basic transformations form the foundation for more complex operations in various fields, including animation, video games, and graphic design. Unleashing potential transformations in complex movement dynamics. Introduction to movement dynamics. Movement dynamics involves the study of how organisms navigate complex environments. Understanding this transformation can lead to enhanced performance in sports, rehabilitation, and robotics. This presentation will explore key concepts and their applications in various fields, highlighting the importance of optimizing movement patterns for achieving peak performance. Key concepts in movement dynamics. Central to movement dynamics are principles like kinematics and kinetics. These concepts help in analyzing how forces and motions interact. By understanding these principles, we can better design training programs that enhance efficiency and reduce the risk of injury, ultimately leading to improved performance. The insights from movement dynamics can be applied in both sports and rehabilitation settings. By analyzing a person's movement patterns, professionals can tailor interventions that promote optimal recovery and enhance athletic performance. This approach allows for a more personalized strategy in training and rehabilitation. Conclusion and future directions. Understanding and optimizing movement dynamics is crucial for unleashing potential in both athletic and rehabilitative contexts. As technology advances, the integration of data analytics and biomechanics will pave the way for more precise interventions. The future lies in harnessing these insights to foster innovation in human movement. Mastering advanced perspective transformations, techniques, and application. Perspective transformations are vital in computer vision and graphics. They allow us to manipulate the viewpoint of image, enabling a more immersive experience. This presentation will cover advanced techniques and their application across various fields, including architecture, gaming, and augmented reality. Advanced techniques overview. In this section, we will explore advanced techniques such as homography, warp perspective, and camera calibration. These methods enhance image processing capabilities, allowing for more complex transformations. Understanding these techniques is crucial for anyone looking to master image manipulation in modern applications. Applications in real-world scenarios. Perspective transformations find application in numerous real-world scenarios, from architectural visualization to virtual reality. These techniques improve user experience and interaction. Additionally, industries like film and gaming utilize this transformation to create stunning visual effects and realistic environments. Conclusions and future directions. Mastering advanced perspective transformations opens doors to innovative application across multiple fields. As technology evolves, the potential for new techniques and uses will continue to grow. Staying updated on the latest advancement is essential for leveraging these transformations effectively in future projects.